Big Balisong. That fucking spicy chicken sandwich burger.
Bruh.
This is not my normal. I just got that. Give me a second. Papa's gonna wipe this off. Oh, I got like a bunch of shit on the screen. Give me a second. I gotta wipe. Yes, all that. Let me insert the other lightning bulb. Oh shit! Ow! You're prone to seizures. Look away, but it's really not my problem. So I tried that new Burger King spicy chicken sandwich. Gotta say, what the fuck is this? Crazy. Oh wait, no! I'm a famous YouTuber, not a homeless person. I don't have overdue rent. I can, in fact, drive a forklift. Now you see, fellas, dude, I gotta scratch myself. Honestly, it was pretty good. I give that a, at least one. Oh no.